Okay guys, so today we're looking at the top 5 keto foods that help you burn fat overnight. If that's what you're here for, stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're looking at the top 5 foods that help and assist with you to sleep comfortably but still help keep you satisfied, and that way you burn fat all night long and conducively. So without further ado, let's have a look at number 1. So we have eggs, a keto powerhouse, just a superfood for overnight fat burn. Let's have a look here guys. So we can see here that why eggs help burn fat overnight. Eggs are high in protein, healthy fats and essential nutrients that keep you full, stabilize blood sugar and support fat burning while you sleep. Now all of this is also going to prevent cravings and hunger, so you will sleep fantastically without snacking. So it keeps you full longer. Protein plus healthy fats equal lasting satiety, helping you avoid late night snacking. Lowers insulin response, helps keep insulin low overnight so your body can access stored fat for fuel. Rich in choline, supports fat metabolism and liver function, key for efficient fat burning. Best way to eat: enjoy eggs with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil for maximum satiety and stable energy. Okay guys, so that's number 1. Let's look at number 2. Okay guys, number 2, sardines. Here we go. Let's have a look here. Another keto powerhouse for overnight fat burn. Now, how are sardines going to help you? Why sardines help you burn fat overnight? Here we go. Sardines are packed with high quality protein, healthy fats and key nutrients that support metabolism, reduce inflammation and help your body burn fat while you sleep. So high in protein, helps preserve lean muscle mass and has a high thermic effect. That means your body burns more calories digesting those eggs. Rich in omega-3 fats, reduces inflammation and supports heart health and improves insulin sensitivity, key for overnight fat burn. Supports ketosis, very low in carbs and high in healthy fats, helping your body stay in fat burning ketosis while you sleep, but also they contain the conducive fluffy LDLs, so the low density lipoproteins are the good ones. So again, eggs are fantastic. Packed with nutrients, excellent source of vitamin D, vitamin B12, calcium, selenium and iodine. Nutrients that support metabolism, thyroid function and overall fat burning. That's right guys, your thyroid helps regulate obviously your energy burn, and you can have even seaweed for that, and that will help give you iodine. Sometimes you can buy salt with iodine and that helps with access to energy, and so that way you can feel fantastic and burn plenty of energy. We have keeps you full for longer. That's massively important. It's high in protein and healthy fats, lasting satiety, helping you avoid late night cravings and snacks. So basically zero carbs, absolutely conducive for ketosis, but fantastic because it fills you with all the good fats, it gives you plenty of nutrients, your body is satisfied, your cravings and hunger should be low, you should sleep like a baby burning tons of energy. Okay guys, number 3, we have chicken thighs. So why chicken thighs help you burn fat overnight? Chicken thighs are juicy, flavorful and packed with protein and healthy fats that fuel your body, maintain muscle and boost metabolism while you sleep. So guys, again, this is chicken. Chicken thighs are fantastic because they're a bit more fatty than the breast. You don't just want breast protein. You're going to have problems if you eat too much protein, you'll start producing glucose. Now, what you do is you have the slightly more fatty thighs. You can cook them in butter and they make a fantastic fatty and protein-packed treat. And then when you have those two, fat and protein together, you get that satiety. You are absolutely fantastic and you've satiated your hunger. Top notch, next level. So that's the whole idea here guys. So we can see here high protein helps repair your body and the muscle, increasing your calorie burn even while resting, maintains muscle. Essential amino acids and chicken thighs help prevent muscle breakdown during overnight fasting. Next, keeps you full longer. Protein plus healthy fats keep you satisfied, reducing midnight cravings and late night snacking. So, supports ketosis, zero carbs and high quality fats keep your body in fat burning mode all night long. Now, full of essential nutrients, rich in vitamin B, zinc and selenium to support energy, immunity and overall health. Guys, this is fantastic. Chicken is awesome, it's absolutely tasty. You can do many things as well to add in a bit of flavor, throw in a teeny bit of Tabasco sauce. Make sure you control how much you put in, because even though Tabasco sauce is very low in carbs, you can still overdo it. So always make sure you can throw in salt and pepper. Again, they will help with electrolytes. You understand that this chicken is juicy, you fried it in butter, you've got fantastic fat, you've got fantastic protein. You are no longer going to be craving anything and you'll have no hunger. So guys, a lovely, pleasant, long, fat burning sleep. Okay guys, here we go. Moving on to number 4. We have avocados. Now, what we can see here, again, avocados are quite popular on keto. They don't just give a few benefits, they give multiple benefits. And yes, it's a fruit. Botanically, it's a fruit, and yes, it's quite interesting. You can go to the top best fruits that you can have on keto. I've got that video in the library. Now, here we go. Why avocado helps you burn fat overnight. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients that keep you full, reduce cravings, and support fat burning while you sleep. So let's have a look here. Keeps you full for longer. High in healthy fats and fiber, avocado slows digestion and keeps you satisfied for hours. Now, not only do you have fantastic monounsaturated fats, you have fiber, they all combine to make a very slow process in breaking them down, so that you maintain satisfied for longer. It hits your system softly and you feel absolutely awesome without spiking your blood sugar and causing problems to slow down ketosis. It's completely conducive, so that way you stay happy, you stay happy in homeostasis. No problems. Awesome. So, supports fat burning. Healthy fats help your body stay in ketosis, allowing it to burn stored fat for fuel overnight. Stabilizes blood sugar. Low in carbs and high in fiber, avocado helps prevent blood sugar spikes and late night cravings. Excellent. Rich in nutrients, packed with potassium, magnesium, folate, and vitamins that support overall health and metabolism. Now guys, low in net carbs. Very low in net carbs, making it perfect for a keto diet and overnight fat burning. So very simple there guys, and the best way to eat, there's a tip here as well guys. So the tip is, best way to eat, enjoy avocado on it, its own with a sea salt. Add it to, or Himalayan salt, add it to salads, eggs, or low carb meals for maximum satiety and overnight fat burning. So guys, the main idea here is it's a powerhouse. There's loads of electrolytes. You've got your potassium electrolytes. You can add Himalayan salt and then you add another 2 electrolytes. It'd be a powerhouse. You'll have a fantastic food and it satisfies you. You'll sleep again as if the bed has opened up and cuddled you. So a fantastic fruit that you can have ready to keep you burning fat all night long. Okay guys, number 5, one of my favorites, mackerel. So here we go, mackerel, a keto powerhouse for overnight fat burning, because mackerel is rich in high quality protein, omega-3 fats, and essential nutrients that boost fat burning, reduce inflammation, and support deep restorative sleep. So here we go guys, awesome there for it. High in protein, supports lean muscle maintenance, and has a high thermic effect, helping your body burn more calories while you digest it. Rich in omega-3 fats. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and enhance fat burning overnight. Supports better sleep, contains vitamin D and B12. So melatonin is your hormone produced by your pineal gland. You can understand that quite simply. You're going to get a lovely sleep with this hormone. So it regulates it, you've got it, no problem. It helps stabilize blood sugar, rich in essential nutrients. You've got loads there, selenium, B vitamin, iodine, potassium, thyroid support overall for your overall health. Best way to eat, grill, bake, or pan sear, all fantastic ways there guys, absolutely delicious. So guys, I hope you liked the video, thumbs up and subscribe. Any questions, please pop them into the comments. Okay guys, I'll see you on the next one.